What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, guys, we're gonna watch a lot of different clips today, guys. This video should be interesting. We got people buying these luxury cars and can't even put gas in them. I mean, I get it, gas is super high right now, so I ain't gonna waste no more time, guys. Let's get to it. Let's go.
Hey y'all, so we are at the gas station. I'm finna put some gas in my car because when I pulled up, I literally had no gas, y'all. It's only by God's grace that I even made it. We just paid rent. Rent was due yesterday. I just got my hair done, so I literally only have like $30 in my bank account, and I don't want to spend it all because after this, I want to go out to eat and get some hookah.
Bruh, she rather get her hair done instead of putting gas in this expensive car. These youngers these days, bruh, they wild.
To show y'all, I literally have no gas. Like, it's like none. Unfortunately, I have to get
zero.
the 93 one, which is the most expensive one. Okay. It's at $10. We need to stop it because it's gonna take all my money. So we stopped it right at $15. Let me show y'all my car. My car. She's so pretty.
Put $15.
All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it gave me 76 miles. Don't mind the tire thing. My tire is flat and I can't afford a new one right now. $15 put 70 miles in my vehicle, which means I'm able to go to the lounge and get some hookah.
It reminds me of my daughters, man. They don't do stuff like this, but just young. You know what I'm saying? Just young, living life. Look like she's doing pretty well for herself, man. She got this expensive car and only put $15 in it. That's crazy, man.
Trevor just left pump 2. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Like, you didn't even get a liter of gas. You got 0.97 of a liter. I would have given you $20.
But you can't really say that. But you never know what happened. Maybe something came up and they had to get up out of there. Yeah, guys, I'm not laughing at people's situations. I have to say this because you'd be surprised some of the comments I get. I'm just reacting to the video, guys. That's it.
Really, I missed one payment on this shit, bro. One payment, and they're like
time.
My shit. I'll bro, please drop it, please. I'll pay you, bro. Damn. Yo, what the fuck, bro? Oh.
Repos, man. It's a heavy repo video today, guys. People been asking me to make these videos. I still don't understand why people tear up their car like that. Just let them take it. Get it back later. That's wow.
Keep going. Go ahead. Keep going.
He encouraging it.
Woo!
Oh.
Good job. Okay, go. You almost got it. You almost got it. Go, go.
That got to be the toe man. Wow. Yeah, he tore the whole rear bumper off that joint. That's crazy. I don't know, guys. Leave your comments, man. If your car up on a repo truck like that, just leave it there, man. You can get it back. I mean, unless you're just in a super bad situation, man, you can always get your car back, even if it get repoed.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Call me money.
Dang, that's like a Scion. Yep. Dang. You know it's bad when you ain't got no shirt on and you running after your car, man. Wow. Oh man.
Hey, why you can't push the fucking yard, bro?
What is he doing? Hey, what is he trying to do? Man, he already got up under the back of the car.
I got police on the way. Dude, it's a repo. You can't do this. What you talking about? Get the bullshit I can.
Man, let that joint go. But he trying to hurry up. The repo man trying to hurry up. I think it's too late once they do all that. You might want to hang it up. But he's in the car, though. That's the point.
Got it all on camera, bud. What you doing? Yeah. You can't do this. You're going to be charged for all this damage. You're going to go to jail for it. You give me the keys, I'll let you have your stuff.
Yeah, we have to keep this shut down.
Yeah.
That's crazy because I thought if somebody's in the vehicle, you can't just repo the car. You know what I'm saying? He's literally driving in the vehicle. He still went up under there and lift the truck up. He talking about he gonna be charged. I believe the tow truck guy gonna be charged. Leave your comments. Let me know. Uh-oh, I can tell this about to be crazy. He got the little eyes moving. Oh, he going over the fence. Oh, heck no. Wait a minute. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta help me out here. He just literally jumped over that man's fence. Come on, bro. That's no way that's legal. No way.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I knew it had to be something super expensive for him to be doing all that, but I think that's illegal, guys. Because he literally jumped over that man's gate, opened it up, and repoed his truck. Uh-oh, we got somebody else trying to.
Look at the truck.
They even got the little youngin out there trying to push the truck.
It's bad. It's ugly.
That's crazy. They go pops.
It's so ugly. Little kid about to get run over.
Right.
They're out here doing the extra. Oh wow.
Oh,
look at that. Oh wow.
Man, he just messing up his truck, man.
Oh, it's bad. It's over.
Yeah, that's terrible.
It's over. The truck tow up. The whole ass truck about to come off the car. It's about to be straight funk season.
Yeah. That's crazy right there, man. I'm just saying, I can't see where it makes sense for you to try to drive off of that tow truck like that. Because even if you do get away, your vehicle is ruined. You're not going to be able to drive it. You better off just letting them take it and try to get it later. So now you got your truck back, but guess what? Now you got to put it in the shop. So guess what's going to happen? They're going to come get it from the shop. So it's a lose-lose situation, man. But, you know, you never know how you're going to respond until you're in a situation like this, man. I just hope that none of you guys ever be in a position like this or myself.
In NYC.
Them daytime
thought he could evade us forever, but we stay lurking.
Oh, nah, that junk just sitting on the corner. He probably wanted that junk to get repoed. There's no way your car just sitting on the corner like that. Oh, okay, it's other car. He probably was an event or something. I thought it was by itself. Got him. Man, they snatch it quick and be gone. Nothing you can do, so.
Discuss the fact that anytime someone that hasn't bought a car in a very long time goes to a dealership and let's say they're looking at an X5, right? Hypothetically, the payment is $1,200. Why do you feel the need to tell me, like, I used to pay $400 for this same car? It wasn't the same car, Unc. That was 20 years ago.
That's terrible.
You used to pay $400 for that car back in 2006, 2005. It's not the same car. That one was $40,000. It's now 20 years later, and it's $80,000.
But the problem is the new cars are made of crap. So she's trying to justify the fact that the cars cost more, but they ain't worth more. You ask me, the older cars were built better. So what she's saying don't make sense, but she's a salesman, so a saleswoman. So she has to say that. You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. I get where she's coming from.
I don't understand. Why do you think it should be the same payment? Can you just like break down your thought process to me? Because that doesn't make sense.
I mean, I understand what she's saying. I mean, things cost what they cost, but that don't necessarily mean it's worth more. You feel what I'm trying to say? A lot of people we only can judge things off what we know and what we've been through in the past. You know what I'm saying? We always use our past experiences to help us make future decisions. But these cars these days aren't worth what they want for them. You know, they charging you $100,000 for a car 2-3 years ago was $60,000. And Dodge is the #1 dealership that's doing that craziness. A Hellcat when it first came out was what, 70-something thousand? Now it's 100,000 for a Hellcat, brand new. Nonsense. But leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Like I say, it's something different. It's the weekend, so we got a lot of different clips in today. So if there's anything you guys want me to react to, hit me up. I'm gonna leave my email at the bottom of this video. I love to see what you guys want me to react to. Hit me up. Also, if you want to contact me about anything, you can hit me up on Instagram. You can DM me. I'll respond. Try to respond to everybody. I appreciate y'all showing love. The channel is growing. I'm trying to get better and better at this stuff. And like I told you guys, I got like one more piece of equipment to come, and I'm gonna have a whole new setup. I'm trying to get better at reacting to these videos. Appreciate all the love. Hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.